Hey, let me show you the best features of JBL Live Beam free earbuds. So first of all, as you can see, we've got access into the mobile application. This is the JBL headphones application, and it actually works for iOS devices and Android. And first of all, as you can see right here, we can find the ambient sound control. So what does it mean? That we can find here the noise cancellation and the talk through mode. What is also really interesting that we can find the smart charging case. So now when you grab this case and tap on the screen, you can actually put here wallpaper. Even you can set the custom wallpaper here, and you can just slide it like that to unlock it. And first of all, you can find here option to change music and play and pause. You can also control the volume level. You can turn on the ambient sound noise cancellation. We can also turn on the spatial sound. You can find the sound equalizer. You can enable even the timer. You can for sure change the screen brightness of this device, change the lock screen wallpaper. You can turn on the voice aware. The voice aware, this is actually the function that allows you to hear your own voice during the phone calls. And we got this automatic play and pause and basically some other functions. Even we can find here the flashlight. That's like a lot of features. And of course we can find time, battery level for the case and our earbuds. And now let's move into this application to check settings of this device. So as you can see right here, we can find the smart audio and the video mode. So the video mode actually allows you to, it's actually like low latency mode. It's improving the lip sync, but the audio mode actually gives you the best audio quality. So it's also very useful to switch between them. We can also find here the couple of the gestures, and on the left and the right earbud there's like the same place on the sensor that we have to tap, and we can actually play and pause media, turn next track, turn previous track, activate the voice assistant, and we can also find the call controls, like we can answer incoming call, hang up ongoing call, reject incoming call, and mute and unmute the microphone during a call. But you can also switch this and get, for example, the volume control. So now you can change the volume level, and you can even use the ambient sound control. So we can do this on the gestures with these earbuds or with the charging case. There's like two different methods. I mean, even a free, because you can also still manage these options in the application. Right here we can also find the voice prompts, and we can also turn them off if you don't like them. By going into the audio section, we can find support for LDAC audio codec, so it will actually improve the sound quality. And below we can also find the sound equalizer with the 6 default presets, but what is interesting is that we can create our custom one by clicking here. We can also find the spatial audio for movie, music and game, and we can set the balance for the left and the right ear. We can even protect our hearing with a volume limiter, so we can just turn it on, and we will get the same exact level of the volume even when there's like some disbalance on movie or video or song that you are listening. Right here we can find also some call settings, but I don't think that this is actually some kind of the useful. I think that the voice aware is actually really useful, so you can actually hear your own voice during the phone calls. And right here when you go into the others option, we can even play some relaxed sound, and we can find the buds by using sound signaling, and even we can turn on this automatic power off to save some, battery of our device. And of course we got still access to update this device, our earbuds and our charging case. And yeah, that will be all. This is, like, in my opinion, the best features for JBL Live Beam 3. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.